Hi guys, for those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
Welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. If this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you so much for your support. Here's another Christmas themed hairstyle for you to try.
This Rudolph style is so cute and fun, you'll be sure to brighten people's day. So let's get started.
I already went ahead and put her hair in a ponytail. You're going to need one of these, bun maker. You want to put it right through the ponytail. I'm just going to go ahead and secure it off a little bit. Take this ponytail, look forward. Evenly distribute it all around the bun. Smooth out the hair. So now you're going to take a hair tie. You're going to bring it right over this bun. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead, you're going to divide it in half and bring it back away from her face. Okay, so now you want to split her hair down the middle. And you want to create two braids, one on each side, all right? Now I've created two braids. Take this braid and just wrap it around this bun here. And then start pinning that up. Go ahead and wrap it on the opposite side. Then just start pinning it in place. Okay, so now that you have this wrapped all around, you're going to take this braid on the outside, and you're going to just look at it. Pick the section of braid that you want to make the ears. You want to take this part right here and just tug, very easy, up a little bit, just so that you can make it look like little ears. See? I'm going to do the same thing over here, right here. So if you like the way the ear is coming out, you can go ahead and do the next step. I already went ahead and made antlers out of these pipe cleaners. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to take the bobby pin, stick it right through. And I'm just going to stick the bobby pin right in front of her one ear. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the other antler. Stick it right here in front of this ear. Now I have the nose. I went ahead and just bought pom-poms and then hot glued it. Just going to stick it right here. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the eyes. I made this too. Stick it right in. And there you go. Little hairspray just to make sure that the flyaways are down. Just do a spin. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To check out more of our tutorials, click on over there and there.
We love you guys, and until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys!